lovely little Suzuki ER125. We've just done an engine rebuild on. New main bearings, new big end bearing, new con rod, 2mm over big bore kit, all fitted back up, all ready to go cruising. Lovely little thing.